Because this broke, I wanna fix it.
I think this is a ground, right?
Welcome back, everyone. I think we're just getting back to riding after a very long time. I'm just going for a car wash. I mean, bike wash. Jesus, I've been driving car for so long. I forgot to say bike. Going for a bike wash. This is again and again I will say this is probably the favorite part of my ride in Sheikh Zayed Road is this tunnel. So I just want to show you this road in its all in its beauty. I'm actually going for two things to this thing. This thing broke, so I want to fix this, and so because this broke, I want to fix it. I want to wash the bike because I've not washed it in a very long time. So people are actually recording me. So yeah, that's how it is. So I'm actually doing a lot of head check while changing lanes now because I don't have mirrors on both sides. I have not set up the mirror on the right side properly actually. I don't know, someone moved it, you know. I don't know who tried to move it. I parked it in my parking. Someone definitely has moved my this thing. So these people, you know, they just block the road like this, like as if they own the road or something. So I'm just gonna reach in a few minutes. Look at this guy, like he doesn't care. This is the garage. Oh yeah? Your hoodie will come, huh?
If you have hoodie, bike will be washed.
Yeah, yeah. Sabik, this thing also just tell them to tighten, huh? Down there's a screw, yeah. So I don't think I showed you guys this place, but this is how this place looks. This is Powershift garage. I don't think they have here, but they basically service every sort of superbike, touring bike, everything. They have all sorts of bike over here. They have BMWs. I think this is a Grom, right? They even have a Grom. Every sort of bike, and all these bikes are track bikes actually. These are track bikes, and got this Ducati Monster. So these guys actually, they sell bikes. They also service bikes. They also store bikes. So if you want to store a bike for long term, you can actually come here and give them. They'll actually store the bike for you, and they will start the bike. They make sure the battery is. So I come here for everything. I come here for service. I come here for wash. I come here for everything. Before I used to go to a different garage, but it's in Sharjah, so I don't want to drive all the way to Sharjah. Even that's a good garage. It's called SKL, but I didn't want to drive all the way to Sharjah every time. So that's why I decided to do this place. Still a good finish. This is a quad lock. Some people are asking how this works. So it has my phone case as a mount. This is the case itself. You have to buy the case from them only. So it just like clips on. So it looks very clean also. You see how minimal it is, and it has a vibration dampener. So what this vibration dampener does, it actually shakes. It actually shakes. So there's small vibrations that come from your bike, which it gets controlled with this vibration dampener. Yeah, and this is where I keep my my earplugs, because the bike is so loud. I keep my earplugs. So this actually I don't use it. This is basically some contraption for having some sort of throttle control. They also have bikes like this. Oh, look at that, S1000. It's a fully track bike. It has no lights. In track bikes, they don't have lights, they don't have fans, they don't have anything. They even have a 1250 touring bikes. Yeah, they basically take care of every sort of bike, not just sports bikes, any sort of bike.
So we're just heading back home. Good day. The map is showing some traffic ahead. So yeah, a few more days of winter left, guys, so I'll try to make more videos. I'm gonna go for a day ride tomorrow, actually. That's why I'm heading home a little bit early. It's only 8:45, so I'm heading home a bit early.